Here we are on the PayPal app. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your balance to your bank account. You can see at the top of the screen I have $500 in my balance. If you want to receive money on PayPal, you simply need to sign up, go through all the steps, connect your bank accounts, everything it asks you to do. Then you can give people the same email address that you signed up with and they'll be able to send you money. You can also tap the Finances tab here and see your balance as well. I'm just going to go back home, quickly show you how to transfer $500. Up here towards the top right, you'll see a giant transfer button. Go ahead and tap on that. It's going to give you a pop-up at the bottom of the screen. And I'm going to tap transfer to bank. So it's going to show my connected bank account here. So at the top of the screen, you could edit the amount. I'm just going to leave it on 500, obviously. And then right now we're on a 1 to 3 day transfer. If you want to get this money instantly, you'll have to pay a fee. And you could see my fee would be $8.75, but I don't want to pay a fee, so I'll just do the 1 to 3 day transfer. Honestly, it usually comes in about a day anyways. Then at the bottom of the screen, we want to tap the big blue button, transfer 500 USD now. And there we go, your 500 USD is on its way. Tap done. Give this a little refresh. You can see my balance is now 0, but I've transferred $500 to my bank account. So very simple to do. You can accept payments on the PayPal app and then just transfer it to your bank account as needed. Hope you found this video helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.